Let's talk about the CamVac bundle. So again, what you're seeing right now is basically a model. So you're gonna get the standpipe, you're gonna get the water filter separator, you're gonna get the vacuum pump, and you know, the camera cable plug that actually plugs it up while your camera cable is in there. It works in conjunction with the 1.5" camera, the HHVP 1.5", and the cam scan. So again, a lot of times we could be in a pipe, we could pass a leak, we don't know exactly where it is. It looks like blue glue, black glue, debris, or something sitting in the pipe. We don't know whether it's cracked or not. A lot of times we could use our dye injector, but a lot of times we'll hook up the CamVac. It's very easy to hook up. We don't use any glue or cleaner. Just push the compression fittings into each other. Again, they're just regular PVC. We crank up our vacuum pump, and again, if there's anything leaking from the outside of the pipe, it will come in. If the pipe is full of water, you will see air being drawn in. If it's an empty pipe, you'll see dirty water being drawn in to where it's actually leaking. Once you locate it with the camera head, you find the camera head with the cam scan, and that will put you on these leaks all day long.